Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. I thought it'd be a good idea to do a preview of the sort of information that's available in the VIP group. A couple of things, it's a bit of a warning also. Now, right now, there's a lot of businesses that have run out of new, fresh injectors, okay, and some are about to run out. The good news is we've secured a whole heap of stock, so we're all good, thanks. So as I always say, buy your injectors from me. Now, let's be clear here. I'm not pushing you to buy injectors. Don't buy injectors. But if you buy injectors, buy them from me. Now, follow the information. You'll be able to determine, basically, when you need to buy injectors and why you need to buy injectors. So to see the videos here, this is a full-length injector replacement video. So there may be some editing there. I believe this one goes for about 3 or 4 hours. You're not going to get this job done in 3 or 4 hours, okay? I think I was meant to press play again, but it doesn't matter anyway. Here we go. We're going to press play, pause. No, nothing's happening here. What's going on? I'm trying to give you a preview, a bit of a taste of the sort of information that's available in the VIP group, because it's part of your package when you purchase our injector kit. If you're interested in our injector kit, please search and watch the video. All you have to search on our channel is the word latest injector information, something. You know what, let's be clear here. I'll tell you exactly what it's called right now. Okay, videos, I'm going to go search and I'm going to put in the word latest. That's all I do and it comes up just like that. I found it. It's called the latest injector information, buying injector kits, 4x4 Diesel, January 2021. That's the one. It goes for about 20 minutes. It goes through everything in the kit, right? I'm just going to fast forward a little bit. Let's see what else is going on here. Let's see if this works. Right, we're basically getting the windscreen wipers and the plastic trim out of the way there. So working on some clips, the trim's at the bottom of the windscreen there. Yep, pretty boring. Let's get into it a bit more and see what else, if we get into anything a bit more exciting. So we're about 9 minutes in now. The key thing is, a lot of these places, they may have injectors available, but they may be remanufactured. Now, look, I'm not going to go in this video into remanufactured Chinese copies and other brands. All I'm going to say is I only recommend brand new, genuine, right? Which, as I said, there's a number of different places you can buy these, right? You can go on eBay, you can go to Toyota dealerships, you can go wherever you want, okay? But who originally started the injector kit? That's me. This is the genuine injector kit, and I guarantee you're only going to get brand new, genuine, fresh injectors. And the way to avoid ending up with anything that, if you're like me, you don't want anything else other than brand new, genuine, fresh, is to purchase from me. Okay, this is looking pretty boring. We're getting a vacuum line off. I'm just going to fast forward into it a bit. Let's go. That's about 22 minutes. Surely we've got some action happening by 22 minutes. So, as I said, we reposition the camera. We're still getting that off at 22 minutes. What have we been doing? So this is the point. It's not about the pictures as well. You've got to listen to all the information. Let's fast forward a bit more. That's 22 minutes. Let's get in around about, come on. Let's get the fast forward button going. 25, 26, 27. Whoa. 36 minutes. That's got to be, something's got to be happening at 36 minutes, doesn't it? What do we got off? I'm explaining something about the clamps, where they go, how to avoid dropping them because they can fall, this sort of thing. Is this video full detail or not? Let's get into it a bit further. This is a preview if you're not in the VIP group. 50 minutes into the job, there we are. We're getting the upside down nuts and bolts at the EJR valve. 50 minutes to get to that stage. I don't know how we're going to get the whole job done in a 3-hour video. Let's fast forward a little bit more. That's 51 minutes. Let's get moving. Come on, fast forward button. Come on, we want, what do we want? We want to go to about, there you go, there's an hour. Let's see what's happening in the EJR valve. Surely that's got to be out of the way. Get that big fat arm out of the way, mate. What are you doing? Yeah, EJR valve's out of the way. We're using the 1/2 inch and the crow's foot to crack those at the top of the fuel pipes there at the valve cover. Happens quite easily when you've got the right tools in hand. There's a number of videos. There's about 8 videos. I highly recommend you get in the VIP group after you've purchased your injector kit and watch all of the videos. Not one, not half of one, not fast forwarding like this and going, yeah, I worked it out, because we want people to avoid problems, okay, and not have the issues people have by rushing the job. Allow yourself a few weeks of training, watching these videos, watch them again and again, get familiar with it. At least watch a few. I've got guys in the trade that have done, half a dozen injector jobs, and then they get a kit from me and they get in the VIP and they watch the videos and they message about it and they go, mate, awesome, few tips and tricks in there that I wish I'd known. I've done dozens of these or whatever the case may be, it varies, and I wish I'd sort of known or watched or whatever. We're going a bit, I want to back it up a bit here, hang on. Okay, here we go. What do we got going here? I reckon the valve cover's got to be off soon. What do we got? Yeah, valve cover's off there. On the Prados, you're working around the wiring loom, so the wiring loom pretty well stays there. It is quite a lot of extra work to get that out of the way. Everybody's got a different system, what works for them. You can hang it up here, you can hockey strap it there. For me, I'm happy to work around it. I've got used to it. I've got used to going, well, you've just got to ignore that it's there, right? So what I'm doing there is the pre-clean on the head, because it's not that bad, but I want to get the most of the debris and oil off the top surface of that head before I open up the engine at the injectors. If I don't want to be fluffing around cleaning and things falling down the injector ports. I want to get that done and then get the injectors out and then clean the injector ports, and then obviously clean all that head surface again properly once the new injectors are in. Let's fast forward a little bit more. Now 32, anything exciting going on? You certainly can't get this job done in 3 or 4 hours unless you're rushing things. So they would see different camera angles. I've obviously, taken a break, pause. We're using the impact driver to zip these out, right? They've been cracked loose, obviously, with a more heavy duty tool, and it's just a zip to speed it up. And I'm put my money on, I'm about to lift out number 1, then number 2, then number 3, then number 4, probably all in one hit to do it quickly, to get the video done quickly. You watch, I'll slap 1, 2. No, I haven't watched this for years. I don't know how old this one is. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll go and lay on the bench in the same order. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then, of course, we're going to do the same thing with the injectors. If you want to see these videos, you don't have to buy an injector kit. You can buy a pair of front wheel bearings for your Prado. You can buy a Dobinson suspension kit. You can buy a BFE kit. But the VIP group is a loyalty group, okay? So it's not for anyone. This is one of the added bonuses you get in being one of my clients, okay? So there's some awesome information there, and it's designed to get you trained to do the job right. I realise that I can't do all these jobs. We've got a number of workshop partners that help out, that do the job right, and we've got a number of DIYs. A lot of people are DIYs getting these jobs done. So what's going on? Play the video. Come on, let's go. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. It's not much happening there. Yeah, injector. Here we go. Yeah, what am I doing? I'm explaining something, all right? I'm explaining. So yeah, let's get moving. Right, I'm going to fast forward it because we need a bit of action here. Let's get up to an hour and 56. Those injectors will be out for sure. This video is not going to go for much longer. Just giving you a bit of a preview of some of the... This is just one of the videos. There's a number of videos. I won't do this again in a hurry. The key warning here is... Come on, play. Play, would you? We want some action. It's playing, but... Yeah, it's got to... Obviously, what am I doing? What am I doing? Should we turn it up and have a listen, see if I'm yakking? Let's turn it up for a minute. Yep, see? Yakking as usual. Come on, get the bloody injectors out, would you? We'll turn it back down again and we'll fast forward. Let's get to where some action's happening. So let's go to 2 hours 11. Surely there's got to be something going on there. 2 hours 11. Injectors have got it. There they are. Hang on. Oh, I don't know what. See, I don't know. So when you see what happens when you fast forward, it's already the new injectors have gone back in and the valve cover's back on, right? So bloody beautiful. There we go. We're coming in with the ratchet. Yeah, you can see that's the impact driver. We're not... Let's have a good listen to this. Whoop, wrong hang on, here we go. Wrong button, dude. Anyway, we've lost that. Oh no, we come back to our good position. Excellent. So I stuff things up, but I just roll with it anyway, right? Come on. Oh, there's going to be an ad. Awesome. Watch the ads, guys. Watch the ads. That's how I get a buck or a cent or something, whatever it is. And guess what? That means more videos. So 1 of 2. I'm going to skip ads this time, but it's better if you don't. Here we go. Let's have a look at the volume. What am I saying here? Something.
We can only just try to do our best, right?
Right.
We
Whatever.
use the impact driver again, just to zip them in. It's not even clicking once.
Hear that? It's not. There's no pressure. It's just speed to get it down nice and evenly in many passes. This isn't a video to tell you how to do it. It's a preview of what's happening in the video. Full detail, everything you need to know is included. But there's a reason why there's 8 videos, different perspectives, different information. Watch them all. Your warning is you can do whatever you like. You can go eBay, you can go Chinese, you can go to whatever supplier you like. But my information, my warning to you is, and of course I'm going to say this, aren't I? Only buy your injector kits from me. You choose what to do. I'm giving you the warning. I'll give you the information. I'll give you the backup. I'll give you the best customer service you'll find anywhere in the world. And there's a number of people that can back that up. And that's why the VIP group is full of happy clients. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That was a bit of a teaser. I've got to be honest, right? Give us a thumbs up. But I do want to show you the sort of thing that's in the VIP group. I thought that was a good idea. That wasn't planned. That just sort of happened. I went, oh, let me do that. Let me show them that. But I'm more thinking. What I was thinking, I got to be honest, I've got to be thinking, I'm talking to different suppliers. I've got plenty of suppliers, right, of injectors, so I can get them here, there. I can always get them somewhere. It's just a matter of if I've got a flow going with a supplier yet, or I've got, say I've got 3 on the go and I'm getting that many there, and then all of a sudden they didn't tell me and they run, and my supplier runs out. Well, then hang on, so then I need time to get organised because I've got other suppliers, no problem. So at the moment we're all organised. We've got injectors on the shelf, we've got more coming, we've got plenty of stock secured, it's all good. But the warning is, right now, so many people are out of injectors. But guess what? We've got plenty of remanufactured. Personally, I don't like remanufactured because I've got a fair idea, as all I'm going to say, is how much remanufactured they are, how old the original injectors are there. The word is remanufactured, right? So if you trust that, then you go ahead. My warning is, a lot of people don't even know. The businesses that are selling them, sometimes they don't know what's in the box. They don't know. As we've demonstrated in other videos where we even open the box and go, whoa, what's going on here? One slipped in, but I'm here to recognise, and that's why I open and check. So when you get your kit and you go, this looks a bit, you know, it's packed for safety. It's not packed for good looks, right? And I'm not into wasting money. I'm into value. I'm going to recycle as much cardboard and bubble wrap and rubbish to use as extra packing, and everybody knows what I mean when they see that, right? What matters is what's in there is in one piece. It's fresh, it's genuine, and it's been checked by someone that knows what they're checking. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, bell on. I'm out of here. See ya. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye.